Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a texture board. So the first one I'm going to go over is this, I believe a lot of people call it mermaid fabric. It is very expensive if you buy it from like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's. It's like 10 bucks for a roll, and I don't want to pay that because I'm not going to use it very often. So I got this little pouch from Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to try to do is just cut a little bit and then use it as a texture. So what I'm going to be using to put on the texture board is these little things, and you can find them on the tops of white containers. I really like this. I didn't come up with this idea. I saw it on Pinterest, so I'm not trying to take full credit, but I like it. My therapist for my kid likes it. They thought this was going to be a really cool idea. We did a sensory board. Unfortunately, I did not film that, which was really stupid. I am planning on filming another one just so you can see where I got all of my products, mostly the Dollar Tree, and then putting it all together. But today I'm focusing on just the texture board. So I take these off and they come off super easy. Sometimes you have little I don't know, plastic left, and you can just cut it off very easily, but it's easy to come off. It's still kind of sticky, not this one so much. These were kind of sticky, but I usually use E6000 to glue it, but my kids lost it. So I found this at the Dollar Tree, and it's super glue, fix-all adhesive, and so I just put that on to secure it so it'll attach to this, and then we'll also be using that on the board itself, and that's just going to be a wood board, maybe MDF. I haven't decided, haven't picked it out yet. I just wanted to get all my textures out of the way first. It does take a little while to collect these, so if I don't have enough, I am just going to start gluing stuff onto the board. But anyway, so right now what I do for this is I put it on the object, and since I'm not going to use this, it was Dollar Tree, so it's not like I wasted a lot. If it doesn't work, I only wasted $1, and so I always do it like this, and then I cut around it and then I glue it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. My husband thinks it's going to fall apart. It might fall apart. I'm just going to go with it, so I'm going to just completely destroy this bag, so don't get mad at me. I don't know if it'll be able to cut over a zipper though. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to cut the excess off, but I first need to let it dry, and then we'll do the rest. got this board from Dollar Tree, obviously. It was not going to be for this craft, but it turns out it's going to be the best for this craft. Other than stripping this, taking this off, sanding it down, painting it, that'd be a lot of work. I am just going to take this off and flip it on this side and glue them like this. Now I have 3 blank ones left. I do have the product, so I'm just going to go ahead and do those real quick, and then we'll finish this craft. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I am so thrilled with it. Just to go over everything again, this is the back side of the Easter sign. I picked this one because it has a hanger and it's small, so it can be travel size as well. So just to go over all the ones that we have rocks that came from Dollar Tree. I don't know why it wasn't zooming. Then we have leather, which came from Hobby Lobby. Burlap came from Michael's. Pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree. Buttons and pocket folder from Dollar Tree. Crystals from Dollar Tree. Sequins from a sequin bag from Dollar Tree. Cardboard, the inside of the cardboard from just a diaper box, but literally could get from Dollar Tree as well. And I didn't talk about this one when I was making it, but this is something that you use to clean your car. I just cut a piece of it off, and yeah, this is our texture board. Like I said, love it because it is small enough to be travel size, so we can take it in the car, or if they want to bring it upstairs, they want to bring it downstairs, anywhere they can just grab onto it. It's great for sensory activities. This is why I made it, because my oldest son that you hear now has a sensory processing disorder, and I wanted to do something to help with that. So he loves to touch different textures, so we made a texture board, and he has gone crazy. I literally had to steal this away from him so I could finish this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Please give us a thumbs up if you really like our sensory activities, because we're going to be doing a lot more, and we will see you next time.